How's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video I'm super excited to show you my MIDI keyboard. I'm very excited about this product because I wanted to buy this product in such a long time, and finally I got it. I want to learn to make some music, make some beats. I don't know, it's interesting because I always had a passion of music, and I don't know, I think it's interesting to try, and I think this is the most easiest way to start with your music. This MIDI keyboard is from AKAI. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this MIDI keyboard on my own. So this is the MPK Mini Mark 3. This keyboard actually is very good. It's, I think, most popular keyboard on the market, I think, if I'm not wrong. Let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, it comes with a MPC Beats. So it comes with a software that is free. Even if you don't have a AKAI MIDI keyboard, again, still you can use it, compatible with different MIDI keyboards. But comes with a AKAI. This is the AKAI MPC Beats. This is the AKAI software. Compatible with kind of different softwares like GarageBand, like Ableton Live, Lite, I believe, Velvet. But yeah, I mean, you just need keyboard, computer, bam, and you're ready to start to make some music. And this is going to be unboxing in today's video. We'll see what comes in the box. We'll check some of the buttons, and I don't know, I'm very excited. As you can see, this is the back. Comes with 8 drum pads and some knobs here. We'll check it right now. So let's unbox it because I'm very excited, because this thing has been on my radar for such a long time. Let me get my knife. And I decide to finally got one because I don't know, it's easy to start with the music because this thing is not very expensive, and I'm gonna give you the price now in a second. But yeah, this thing is very affordable. But yeah, MPK Mini Mark 3. Let's unbox it. Let's see what comes in the box. Oh boy. I mean, interesting is that this keyboard is not very expensive, and probably you're wondering how much is the price. The price of this keyboard is about 79-80 pounds, which again, it's nothing. It's affordable for a MIDI keyboard. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, I'm gonna leave the box on the side just for a second. Okay, let me put this on the side. Comes with a lot of paper, so let me zoom a little bit now so you can see me much better, and you can see the keyboard as well. So comes with a paper, a lot of your hit song starts here. Okay, MPK Mini. I mean, this is good manual. I think you should check it because there's a lot of stuff that I don't know personally. I'm not a musician. I'm just starting right now, and I think this is interesting because you just need a MIDI keyboard and a computer, and you start to make music. The cable is the old Type B. I wish it comes with a Type C, but it is what it is. And now the keyboard actually... Okay, let me leave this on the side. And this is the keyboard. Ooh, okay, so let's do it together now. Lovely. So this is the keyboard. As you can see, we have the pitch joystick here. Many people was complaining about this pitch joystick. I think it's called pitch joystick, but personally I think it's cool. We have the keys here and the drum pads. Also we have all the controls here. Also have a small LED display here as well. And we have the knobs, but these knobs they are pretty good because you can turn them over and over and over again, so they're endless. I think the Mark II had the knobs that you can turn only, you know, just to the point, but here these knobs are endless point knobs, which in my opinion are very good. So yeah, we have all the programs button. I mean, I'm very excited because this thing is amazing, and finally I got one, and I'm very excited to start to make some music, and I don't know. So make sure you subscribe, and let's do some nice music, and let's explore. And if you already have this MIDI keyboard, let me know in the comments down below, or suggest something, because I'm just starting right now. So this is my first, should I say, yeah, it's my first musical instrument that I bought. And if you already know, if you own this keyboard, let me know in the comments down below. What do I have to do next? I know there's a lot of tutorials on YouTube, but yeah, I'm gonna be super happy if somebody leave any comments in the video today. So I need to register this keyboard. You have to register this keyboard. There's a barcode here behind, and also you get some software with this keyboard. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is gonna register this keyboard, but I don't want to do it right now. I want to learn about this keyboard a little bit. I want to play a little bit just to make sure that I know some stuff already, and then I'm gonna give you my like a proper review, because now I don't know anything and I don't want to make this video 10 hours. But yeah, okay guys, this is Stefan, super excited, and yeah, the next video probably you're gonna see is gonna be about my new MIDI keyboard. So let me know in the comments down below if you own one or if you have a different brand, and what do you think about the MPK Mini Mark III from AKAI. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe.